In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use reports in Hootsuite Analytics. If you're managing multiple social media accounts, you'll know how crucial it is to keep track of their performance. Hootsuite's reporting tools offer a streamlined way to view insightful data that helps you make informed decisions. So let's get started on exploring how you can utilize these features to enhance your social media strategies. First things first, head over to your Hootsuite dashboard and log in using your account credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by Hootsuite's main interface. Now direct your attention to the main menu on the left side of your screen and find the Analytics tab. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic of data happens. When you enter the Analytics section, you will be brought to the Reports overview page. Here, you'll want to click on All Reports. This section serves as your hub for all reporting capabilities available on Hootsuite. Hootsuite offers a variety of default reports, including options like post performance, audience growth, and network performance. These are designed to give you a quick snapshot of how your social media accounts are doing in various aspects. Choose one of these default reports, perhaps the post performance or audience growth, by clicking on it. By doing this, you'll be able to dive deeper into specific data points, seeing metrics that are crucial for understanding your audience's engagement levels and overall account success. With these reports open, you now have the power to sift through valuable insights. You'll notice that these dashboards can be customized to meet your precise needs. Specifically, you can filter the data by social profile, which is particularly useful if you're managing multiple brands or entities. Additionally, you can adjust the date range to analyze historical trends or focus on more recent data. Even more, you can customize which metrics or widgets are visible on your report, ensuring you only see the data that matters most to you. Once you've adjusted the report to your liking, you have the option to export the data. Look to the top right corner of the screen and press the export button. Here you can choose your preferred format from PDF, Excel, or CSV, depending on how you intend to use or present the information. For those of you working in teams or collaborating with clients, Hootsuite also allows you to schedule automatic report emails. This feature is brilliant for keeping everyone in the loop effortlessly. You can set up these reports to be sent out weekly or monthly depending on your needs. Head to the schedule export settings where you can specify the recipients, the time they should be sent, and the format you want. And there you have it, a straightforward way to harness the power of Hootsuite Analytics through reports. Whether you're looking to refine your strategy or share progress with stakeholders, these tools are invaluable for staying on top of your social media game. I hope this walkthrough has been insightful and encourages you to dig deeper into your analytics. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your social media journey.